I have started my journey yesterday morning at 8 o'clock. And I am reaching here after 30 hours. It's the love of Asha Foundation team who brought me here. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to Asha Foundation. Babies are welcomed into the world with celebrations. But I was welcomed with silence. Hi everyone, I am Ranjana Sood. In 1977, when I was born as third girl child in small Himachali village, my Dada Dadi rejected me. My only fault, I was not a boy. And that silence became the first teacher of my life. It whispered to me, you must fight to be seen. I grew up with my Nana Nani, my maternal grandparents. Please check. Finally, at the age of 7, I entered classroom. It felt like entering into temple of light. Everyone thought that education was based on a girl like me, but I proved them wrong. In class 2nd, I got prize from Chief Minister. It was a turning point in my life. In class 8th, I stood 2nd. In class 10th, I stood 4th. Then I decided I wanted to specialize in medical field. But people laughed because there was no biology teacher in my school. So when there is no teacher, no chance. But destiny sent me a guide. A teacher from nearby school helped with his notes. And with those notes, I cracked my exam. Though I didn't secure a seat in MBBS, but I became a veterinary doctor. And this veterinary profession taught me compassion and service. After becoming veterinary doctor, I have joined my services in animal husbandry department in Himachal Pradesh. After joining my job, I got married to a veterinary doctor. In my 9 months of pregnancy, I got a distress call from a farmer. Her cow was in labor pain. It was snowy evening. The decision was not easy, but accompanied by 2 team members, I rushed to the spot. It took me 2 hours to reach there. I struggled for 1.5 hours. It was a difficult birth. Finally, cow delivered a healthy calf. Both cow and calf were fine. That night, I realized that animals, they don't need the words to teach us. Their silence carries the lessons of compassion, loyalty, and silence. That cow was in labor pain for more than 30 hours. But she kept faith on her honor, and she was patiently waiting for the doctor. I kept on treating the animals, and they kept on teaching me the life lessons. When COVID hit, many youth in my state, they lost their job. Women sat in despair. There was no source of income for them. They approached me for poultry training. Though official training was banned, but I trained them after taking all precautionary measures. And soon, farms opened, hatcheries opened, women started generating income, farmer fed families, women got empowered, and few of them got national recognition. But the real award was seeing them stand tall again. So lesson which I have learned that even in the middle of crisis, you can create the opportunities. 2021 broke me. I met with severe accident, which led to multiple fractures, surgery, and weight gain. It was me after the accident. Then one day I looked at myself in mirror and said, enough. I changed my diet. I walked. I meditated. And I healed. It's my family, the pillar of strength, who gave me the courage to come out of that darkness phase. So resilience is not waiting for the life to get easier, but it's about choosing to get stronger. So when you are determined, when you refuse to give up, whole of the universe start working in your favor. I was struggling with my communication skill, particularly while attending seminars, webinars, and workshops. Then universe again blessed me, and I came to know about Asha Foundation. Asha gave me a new stage. I found my voice again. I stood in national seminars. I learned driving in hills without any fear. So, when you are determined, you can turn pain into power, rejection into service, and silence into voice. And here is the truth that life will always test you before it blesses you. I began my life as a silence no one wanted to hear. But today, I stand as a voice that refused to be ignored. That is the resilience. सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जाना है. मेरी मंजिल तो आसमान है. रास्ता मुझे खुद बनाना है. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, yeah, we have professionals learning from us. She wanted to prepare for an interview for?
Deputy Commissioner post.
Yeah. Yeah, Deputy Commissioner's post in the central government. Through somebody, they said Asha and Fanat Foundation will help you. She came in and I said, we do communication skill for interview preparation. Deputy Commissioner post, how does one train? Then we got in touch with different people. We gave her so many mentors. Her messages are filled with thank you. And she is a diligent student, okay? We helped her whatever we could, but she was always constantly learning. Hats off to you.
I have to really tell you It was such a joy. Okay, I worked with all the TEDx speakers, I'm not saying no, but Ranjana was that she always went the extra mile. Whenever we asked for videos, when I said, Ranjana, we need to work on your script a little more, immediately, yes, ma'am. When are you free? I'll reach out to you then. So we literally worked with her. It was amazing, amazing to work with a person like her. And I had to come here to tell this. Thank you so much, Ranjana.